Are you looking to optimize your Outgrow quizzes for mobile? If you want your quizzes to perform seamlessly on mobile devices, you're in the right place. Outgrow is an incredible tool for creating interactive quizzes, but optimizing them for mobile can really make a difference in user engagement and conversion rates. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly optimize your Outgrow quizzes for mobile to ensure they look great and perform perfectly on smaller screens. Stick around till the end for an exclusive bonus that will make it even easier to get started. First, let's talk about Outgrow's mobile responsive templates. When you're designing your quiz, make sure to choose a template that's automatically optimized for mobile devices. This will save you time, ensuring that your quiz adjusts to any screen size, but you'll still want to fine-tune a few things to make sure it's perfect. Next, pay attention to your quiz's design elements. Mobile screens are smaller, so you need to streamline your content. Make sure the text is legible. You don't want small, hard-to-read fonts on a mobile screen. Use large, bold fonts for headings and ensure that buttons are clickable without being too cramped. The idea is to make the quiz as easy to interact with as possible, so your audience doesn't have to zoom in or squint. Another important aspect of mobile optimization is the placement of your elements. On mobile, things like buttons and input fields should be centered and large enough to tap comfortably. Outgrow allows you to control the placement of elements on your quiz, so it's crucial to ensure that buttons and forms are easy to tap without the user needing to scroll too much. Also, be mindful of loading times. Mobile users may have slower connections, so it's important to optimize your quiz for speed. Outgrow's platform provides fast, mobile-optimized content, but you can further improve this by minimizing the use of heavy images or video files that might slow down the user experience. The quicker your quiz loads, the better the chances of users completing it. One often overlooked feature is the mobile preview. Before you publish, always preview your quiz on a mobile device. Outgrow has an inbuilt preview tool, and it's crucial to check how the quiz behaves on different screen sizes. This way, you can catch any design or functionality issues before your audience does. Speaking of functionality, ensure that the mobile navigation is intuitive. With smaller screens, users may accidentally click the wrong button, so ensure that your quiz flows naturally, with buttons placed in logical spots. Don't forget about accessibility. Make sure that your quiz is easy to navigate with touch gestures like swiping or tapping. One more thing to optimize is your CTA call to action. On mobile, your CTA should stand out, but it shouldn't overwhelm the user. Make sure your CTA is big enough to tap easily, and try using action-driven words that encourage clicks, such as get your results or start the quiz now. This is crucial because on mobile, every second counts, and you need to guide your users quickly and effectively. Remember, optimization for mobile isn't just about aesthetics, it's about usability. Make sure your quiz is simple, fast, and easy to interact with, and your users will appreciate it. Before you go, don't forget that you can try Outgrow completely free from the first link below and get exclusive bonuses to help you get started right away. That's right. We've worked out an extended free trial for you, so you can dive in and start optimizing your quizzes without any commitment. Now you're ready to optimize your Outgrow quizzes for mobile, making them look great and work perfectly on any device. If you follow these tips, you'll have a mobile-friendly quiz that users will love. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the link below for your extended free trial and bonus. Happy optimizing!